Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's tap on more settings, and as you can see on the third position we've got the option encryption and credentials. So this is the option we're looking for, and after entering at the very bottom we've got delete all credentials. So let's tap on delete. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that probably if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually that's all. This is how to remove certificates, remove credentials in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.